Hi viewers, today we are reviewing some of the best lawnmowers available in the market. We have selected these products according to their price, durability, and user satisfaction. Check the description box below for more information about the listed products. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more product reviews. On number 4 we have Ego Power Lawnmower. The Ego Power Plus 21 self-propelled mower with peak power delivers outstanding power and extended run time. Ego's peak power technology combines the power of two Ego Power Plus 56 volts 5. It comes with up to 80 minutes of cut time. This mower tackles even the toughest of mowing applications on a single use for all grass types. The easily adjustable deck height enables you to cut at any length. The advanced Ego Power Plus 56 volt batteries uses industry-leading ARC lithium technology to deliver superior power and is compatible with all Ego Power Plus products. On number 3 we have Craftsman Lawnmower. It is perfect your lawn with Craftsman 159cc 21 inches 3-in-1 FWD lawnmower with bagger. It is powered by a 159cc engine with a recoil start and auto choke. This front-wheel drive lawnmower is equipped with both side and rear discharge and mulching capabilities. It is equipped with a 21 inches cutting deck that allows you to mow wider areas of grass with fewer passes. It is perfect for small or medium-sized yard. It comes with a dual lever that allows you to adjust the trimmings between 6 different heights. The 8 inches front and 11 inches rear wheels are made with zeg treading to allow more traction. On number 2 we have BLACK+DECKER Lawnmower. You can get the job done with the BLACK+DECKER 12-inch 3-in-1 compact electric lawnmower, a corded mower trimmer. It is equipped with a gasless 6.5 amp motor and power drive TM transmission for increased torque and more cutting power at the string. It is easily mow your grass on incline areas in tight spaces, then detach the mower deck to use. It is a string trimmer, then rotate the trimmer head to use it as an edger. It featuring a built-in cord retention system to prevent accidental cord disconnection. On number 1 we have Ego Power Lawnmower. The Ego Power Plus 21 inches select cut self-propelled mower delivers performance that exceeds the power of gas. The select cut multi-blade cutting system is equipped with 2 interchangeable lower blades, the premium mulching blade and the premium bagging blade. The premium mulching blade is ideal for weekly mowing, giving you the cut quality and run time expected from a high-end gas lawnmowers. The premium bagging blade is a heavy-duty blade that turns grass into fine fragments, ideal for both bagging and mulching. Hope this review helps you to finalize product according to your need.